Hi guys, I am back really quick with a little thrift haul. We went to a thrift store this afternoon and I was looking for another white cabinet to put in my craft room on this side of me. And I apologize if you can hear the thunder and lightning, but it is thunder and lightning outside right now. And I couldn't find one, but while I was in there, I found some cute little things. And I got all this stuff that I'm about to show you for $5. Okay, so I found this China Berry Starburst Ornament Kit. And this is what the ornaments look like. It was originally $3, but yellow tags today were 50% off, so I got this for $1.50. And this is the most that I paid for anything. And so then I picked up some Stencil Paint cream. And I got this one. This is called Stencil Magic by Delta. I hope it's not dried up, but we can make it work even if it is. But I picked up some in amethyst purple, and it was originally 25 cents. And it's Yellow Sticker Day, so I got it for 12.5 cents. However, they do that 12. I think what they did is just gave me 2 for $0.25. And then I got some dark brown. And then I got some called Jungle Green. And is that all the little containers? Yep. And then I got these. This is by Plaid, and it's Stencil Decor, and it's stencil gel. And the same thing. This was 25 cents and Yellow Sticker Day, so I got 12.5 cents. And so this one is Dark Sapphire. And then this one is Lemon Frost. And then this one is Stencil Gel. And the same thing, what am I saying? Cactus Green. And like I said, all these were $0.25 and they were half off. So then I also found a brand new in the bag. And this is by the Delta brand too. It's a 5/8 inch brush. It's a stencil brush. And it was $0.25 as well, half off. And then I found this piece of sheet music, and it's in French. So I got that, and this was 10 cents. Originally, it was $1.30, but I guess whoever was selling it at the time, but I got it for 10 cents. And then I found some pink tulle. I'm looking for a roll to finish my stuff on. I've been doing my snippet roll for Joanne's challenge, but I didn't put anything on there. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use it on this. It's because it's really wide, but I'm gonna see. But anyway, this was Dusty Rose Pink, and I don't have any of this color of tulle. And so I picked it up, and there wasn't a price on it. They said well, it wasn't very much on a roll to begin with. And so I got this for $0.10 as well. And then it was half off. I got it for $0.05. I mean, I'm going to take it for $0.05, right? So, then I got these little things right here. And they're little sea, like this was I'm not sure what they are, but y'all, these were, they're ceramic, and it was ABC Bassano. They were made in Italy. And so I looked these up online, and they originally retail anywhere from $10 to $15. And so these were $0.25. I hardly ever find anything good at this thrift store, but it was the Habitat for Humanity, and somebody must have came through. And then I got this one. I love the blue around the edge of it, and the same thing, made in Italy, and this was $0.25. So I'm not sure how they came up with their pricing or whatever, but it only came up to $5 and then tax, so a little over $5, but and then I have one of the conch shell. And I can't decide if I'm going to hang these up in my kitchen somewhere or if I'm going to use them on a project with my frames that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So I'm not really sure. And then this, okay, this was a green sticker item. And green sticker items were $1. And they were 25% off today. So I got it for 75 cents. But this is a basket, and it is Country Woven Collection, Grand Basket, Maspeth, New York. And it's a country theme, obviously. But it has a leather, real leather handle on it. This is going to be painted. I've been looking for something to hang on the wall for my mail. And I have like a little clipboard up there now, and it's not very big. But it's kind of dusty and kind of gross right now. It needs to be cleaned. And then I'm going to paint it. But I think this will be lovely on my wall. And so, yeah, I'm going to redo this. So this was $1. And these, like, I mean, I lucked out today. It was $5.35 with the tax, because it's 7 cents on $1 here. So I think I lucked up today. If the paints are fine, then I have really got a good deal. Alright guys, I just thought I would share that with you. I very rarely go thrifting anymore or shopping anywhere really, but except for Dollar Tree. But I just couldn't pass these up. This was such a great deal. For $5.35, I got all of that. Lollipalooza Lolly, you would be proud of me today, girl. She gets some amazing thrift store stuff in Colorado where she lives. And I told her, I said, I wish we had thrift stores like that. Well, I lucked out today and got some really nice items. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. And I will see y'all all tomorrow. I may work on this basket. And this might be a project for us if I can do it maybe this week. I'm not sure. But anyway, all right, I will see you all later. Bye.